guys, Merlin here, back again with another unboxing. Today we will be unboxing the Royal Kludge wireless gaming keyboard. Let's open up this bad boy. So, when I purchased it, I saw a lot of good reviews, so I'm hoping that I can give a good review as well, but who knows? We'll have to see. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get it. Okay. Seems very light, the box. Wow. So you see they put it in like this. It's the RK61 Royal Kludge gaming keyboard. Now that I've taken it out, it seems to be a lot heavier. Here's the box initially. So we're gonna, let's see, is there tape? No, there's just a fold here. You just open it. And so it's wrapped in foam, so it would be very protected when you take it out, when you receive it. So we're gonna take little by little. So we're gonna start off with this. Obviously, this is the cable to connect it to your computer if you wish to, or actually, I forgot to mention this, it actually works with iOS, Android, and many other platforms, not just computer or Windows, whatever. It works with Apple as well, tons of other ones. So don't worry about that. And it is mechanical, so it's interchangeable. And as you see here, it comes with a keycap remover, so it'll come in handy. Now let's get on with the actual keyboard itself. So I'm going to do this very carefully. So we'll put this down here. Now it comes with a card saying, "Thank you for supporting and producing RK." And it comes with, it's a 12-month free warranty. That's good to know, in case I break it with my gaming skills. Not true, but here's the instruction manual. It seems to be Chinese writing all over it, so I'm guessing this is a Chinese product. It comes with instruction guides on how to set it up, how different caps work. It is in English as well, so for all you English speakers there, good for you. Anyways, let's do the actual keyboard reveal. I'm gonna keep that box just to, show it up. Comes in a nice wrapping, protect it. So the one I got was matte black because I prefer that. Supposed to glow up orange. I gotta say, it's not as loud as I thought it would be. It's pretty good. You guys see? So it is a 60% keyboard. So that means this other half here and a little bit up top here will be gone. But some of you might prefer that if you have a little desk space. Here is a switch to turn it on. Right here, for the wireless part. But today we're going to be doing the wired part so that I can demonstrate to you on my little laptop. Hey guys, so now here is the presentation. I'm sorry, I don't have a proper game to show you on, as I said, I don't game very much, and I only got this so I could do work on it, but I'm going to show you something that I found on a very popular online website for small games. Now, this is just to show the response time. It's not really meant to show how insane you can be at it, but I'm pretty sure it'll give you a clear image. Okay, so okay, so far, this seems to be working very well. Not really any problems, you know. I'd say it works. It feels pretty good, you know. And I like the colors on the light. Give you. So yeah, to me, I think it sounds okay, but when I use this for work, it feels really smooth, and overall, I like the feeling of it. And you know, if you're into gaming, I would suggest getting this. I don't have a very good view of what gaming is, because I mostly just do work, and I don't actually use this computer for work. This is just all I had on hand with me, but yeah, you know, it works really well, and all I have to say is that I'd go for it. As I said before, I have a link in the description, and you can maybe buy it. And there are different ways you can change the keys. If you press FN and you press, so if you press this one right here, and this one, so you press FN and then you press this one, you can change different key lighting patterns. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and I'll try and post something new. But see ya, Merliners. Weird name.